Came out real nice, you guys. As you can see, I have a lot of storage under my bed, a lot of space. The metal is sturdy, kid friendly, not gonna break the bed frame because of you. That's why mommy had to get a new one in the first place, because somebody's always jumping on my bed. But other than that, the bed is really high up, so yeah, in this video I will show you how I installed my bed frame and how it went for us. So the bed frame that I got is Zinus Lewis Quick Lock 14-inch. It's for a queen size bed, and the price was around like $148, I believe, but it's really not that expensive. It was on my budget, and yeah, so in this video I will show you guys how it went with installing it and unboxing. So here's the bed topper that we got. It's called Sure2Sleep. So here we go with the instructions. It looks pretty easy, the tools it came with, and yeah, so let's get this on and popping with making this bed frame. On this frame, it has like numbers and stuff and where you can connect them. So I'm going to begin to set them up. It comes with number 9. We got the first part done. Whew. So this part right here is pretty easy. All you do is lock the little metal pieces into place. And it came with 4 pieces of tape that is for your mattress, so it won't slide off the bed frame. So that was pretty cool.
Like a Tempur-Pedic.
Oh, goodbye. Like the new bed topper.
She won't move.
She won't move. She's like, this feels amazing. Come here, baby. It feels so squishy.
Oh, she's just gonna go.
Look at her. She's like, oh no, I gotta sit back. Her lip is poking out. Baby's reaction to the bed. She won't move. She's like, oh, my hands is getting stuck. Oh no.
Wait, Eli.
She made it to daddy. Eli, how you like the new topper? It feels squishy. How you like the new topper?
Nice.
Yay!